On a bright winter day, Ria is going out with her elder brother. In the park, both are enjoying and playing on a seesaw. What have you observed? While opening the door, first Ria was unable to open the door. Later on, she pushed it from the knob and was able to open it. It happened because of the turning effect of the force, which increases with the increase of its distance from the point of application to the axis of rotation. Where the axis of rotation is the line drawn through the hinges of the door. Similarly, the seesaw is balanced when the boy moves toward the axis of rotation. It concludes that in order to rotate the body about an axis, the line of action of the force applied on the body should not pass through the axis about which the body is to be rotated. The farther the line of action of the force from the point or the axis, the easier it is to rotate the body. Let's consider a body is capable of rotating about an axis O. If an upward force is now applied at A, the body will rotate in an anti-clockwise direction, whereas if a downward force is applied at A, the body will rotate in clockwise direction. Thus, the moment of a force on a body about a point or an axis is the turning effect of the body about that axis. It is measured as the product of the force and the perpendicular distance of the point of application of the force from the axis of rotation.